Hey, welcome to my couch. One of two places you'll be seeing a great deal of this specific type of content. My name is Patrick. And if you don't know that by now, I'm a millennial by all means who believes he has the power to change the world from a single camera. I work full-time as well as a few other things. Gym, religious practices, content creation, doing a podcast. And so me and the young boy, aka little big brother Courtney, will be learning how to schedule and put this together as we grow. Oh, and some other things real quick to get out of the way. I have small eyebrows and ears. I need glasses that I might change soon. So I also have this weird tick where I blink a lot. Trying to control it. So if I start snapping, don't worry, nothing happened to me. I was able to upload this. So we got that. I'm glad we got that out the way. So if you haven't already read our About page or visited either of our social medias, here's a quick recap. We enjoy creating, currently do a bunch of different things content-wise, so we thought of a new venture. Why don't we document the process from start to finish? Start to finish. Whether we succeed or fail, and leave it on the internet for others to laugh at, because of course people are gonna laugh at us if we fail. There are always these videos online where you see the 10 steps to do this, or how I became 100K richer, but it's something else to actually see the process in action. For me to actually be 100K richer, that'd be dope. Oh, so this is that process. All right, so this is the workstation. This is where I'll be doing a lot of the screen capturing, all of the designing work, software work. I'll just roll some B-roll so you can see what I'm talking about. All the research, whatever types of work that needs to be done can be done from this workspace. If anyone cares, I'll be going over the tools that I'm using personally. So if anyone wishes to continue to do the same to invest in what they need, boom, you'll have it right here. But I think that's a wrap for now. I pretended to talk to someone for long enough, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up and get to work.
Wait, how'd you guys get up there? A little bit about myself. I'm Savage. People know me by Courtney. Basically, we just want you guys to get an understanding of what it takes to paint and that anybody can do. So, as you see, just have to basically, you know how everybody says it these days, go for what you want. And that's basically what I did. My boy, Crayons, who's also going to be in a couple episodes, he's the one that actually showed me how to do all this. I used to paint, but I used to hand paint. So, you know, getting used to it alone is kind of crazy. But I figured this is what I wanted to do, and I've been helping people ever since. And they've been seeing the prices that we pay and the quality we've done for work, and they're just amazing. So, back to the session.
Yo. What's going on? Where you coming from?
The shop.
The shop, El Shoppington. Yeah, it's type late, so I won't keep you here too long. Let me pause my show. Yeah, man. See if I can keep this as brief as European underwear. So I just wanted to make sure we went over the channels guide for the next few months. This is just a little something that we can go over. I just wrote this up, making it as transparent as possible so that both, like we discussed, at the same time we're learning, people who watch our videos is going to learn the same thing and hopefully be able to put it to use. So, pop quiz. what's the purpose of this channel?
To show people our craft.
Elaborate.
So basically, we want to get our craft out there into the world. So clothing.
You don't even know why you're here.
Nope.
Alright, so correct answer is so we can learn and then we can teach and document the process of visual design. This is going to include logos for me, car detailing for you, a little bit of photography, hopefully down the line. So I just wanted to quickly take a look at the guide we wrote up, or I wrote up. Like we didn't already practice this, and we can finish and wrap it up from there. Don't you look stressed? Alright, boom. So starting with the top of the contributions is going to be me.
Yeah.
I'm going to contribute the most. Learn and teach the process of turning current designs into merchandise. I'm going to have to be creating new ideas for future designs and drops. I want to learn the copyright and trademark process. It's probably really not that hard, but it would be good to visually see it for somebody to go ahead and take the steps if they wanted to do the same. I'm going to be doing a lot of recording and teaching of making the content, behind the scenes camera work, using Adobe Premiere, also editing the pictures for Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, and then editing scenic videos for Adobe Premiere. Boom. Go ahead, you can start with yours.
So basically, learn and teach the process of auto detailing. I'm gonna record the tools used for painting, and not just that, but the tools that I'm gonna go in depth of the pricing and stuff like that, like how much another shop would pay or charge for that. And then I'm gonna be choosing designs to create for my merchandise, so the merch coming soon, and filming cars is what I really wanted to get into, so I'm gonna do a couple of car videos.
That's it? Anything you wanted to add?
Nah, but I'm pretty sure when we get to that point I will.
Alright, cool. So I have goals for the YouTube channel itself. I was thinking, like, how long can we really do this for? It could just be a small mini series. It doesn't have to go on forever. There's people who have gotten in and out of making content, so these are my current goals. We already talked about the scheduling itself, so I was thinking scheduling for recording could be Tuesdays and Thursdays. This so happened to be a Tuesday. Did this work out? Did this work out?
Yeah.
Okay, so this worked out for you. Also Thursdays, not this Thursday because the game, NBA Finals is going on. Golden State may lose it, but I at least gotta watch it regardless, just so I see Toronto win their first championship. It would be kind of dope. So we're gonna make solo and team videos. So I'm gonna be recording by myself. You're gonna be recording by yourself, and we'll also do collaborative videos, such as what we're doing now. Keep the video length to about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Keeps people's interest and attention spans. You already told me you have bad attention, so of course if you ain't watching the video, who else is? We can chronicle the process from design, trademark, distribution, showcase our tools like we already said, and add things learned to build process. We have to make an intro and an outro, so for now we just have nice little title screens that's gonna occupy those parts. I know I have a goal for myself is advertise my designs, the business itself, and merchandise. I feel like the same thing will be for you.
Yeah, I'd agree.
Okay, I'm glad we're both on board with the same thing. Learning and teaching the basic skills of designing, producing, and detailing. Detailing is probably more on your end.
Yeah.
Because that's going to be the auto part. And also create a different type of show or content that may exist but is not currently evident. There's space for everything on YouTube, and it'd be cool to just try and change it up. It probably isn't a change. It's probably somebody right now that's doing the exact same thing with his brother on his couch.
Yeah, Dylan and Bob.
What? Alright, and then finally, I put social media connections. I'm not sure if I feel like making an Instagram. You don't even want to make a Twitter. I'm not sure how we're gonna do so much with the
And I'll make a Twitter, whatever.
I'm just saying. And we can link our Instagram pages on the YouTube channel itself, and the Twitter page for communication. Boom. Nice and easy. You have any jokes you want to insert before we?
Nah, cause I'm scared that I might say something and it's gonna be a cuss word. Demonetized already.
You know that thing with the they erased our content.
This joke is horrible.
They deleted the content from our hard drive. How's that even possible?
No, I ain't even. Cause honestly, I'm too tired.
Alright, so we can just wrap it up now. So we can just finish it. Alright, so boom. I'm glad we was able to get that. I'm still going through puberty. I'm glad we were able to get that part out of the way. Now we can start filming, recording, putting this stuff together. You're gonna be
doing some editing by yourself.
I thought I was tired, but your computer. Oh boy.
Let me just wipe my tears away real quick. Hopefully I didn't lose that. I'm so hurt. It really hurt.
This is good stuff. First episode, they're gonna be like, well, these guys are human. They're not a damn robot.
Make sure you always have your charger available. Do not leave it at work. First lesson, charge your laptop. So I hope we covered enough. I hope we were able to save the screen capture. Because if not, I have to pretend to do it and just go like this by myself and do it.
It doesn't record sound, does it?
No. So all the sound is going to be coming from there. Yeah. So hopefully we got enough of the screen record. Damn, man! For a first episode, this is pretty well. This is gonna work out pretty well.
They're gonna
It's
enjoy
trash.
It. No.
That's how you get what this is we can get slandered. This slander builds you up. It teaches you the criticism that you need, so you can go ahead and make better.
That criticism comes from the artist.
So the audio itself isn't going to be great because we don't have a boom mic. We're learning. Listen, we're learning from the jump. So all of this is going to be something we're putting together. Well, appreciate you coming by. We probably just didn't do anything. Imagine if this isn't even recording. That's a red dot, right? I haven't got my glasses on.
I think the battery's low on that too.
Christ, I'm done. I'm done.
Hey, that's what they say.
I'm done.
The battery's low.
All right. Peace.